Check this truck out, guys. This is a 1972 Chevy C10. This is a short bed Fleetside. Very well restored, presents really well, has a beautiful stance, great exhaust sound. This is really a nice looking short box Chevy pickup. Small block, 350, factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, fairly well optioned. Beautiful, beautiful red paint and body on this truck is very nice, very straight. Gaps on the doors and the hood are very nice. I'll show you here. Just a really slick looking truck. Fuel filler remains behind the seat. Factory location, beautifully restored interior, houndstooth inserts on the seats. Does have a rear slider window. And it does have a nice headliner. Odometer shows 35,000 miles. Oil pressure gauge reading nicely. Do have an aftermarket retro radio. Sorry about that, mainly just static, but the speaker is hooked up. Gonna turn on the air conditioning here. Fan blows nice and strong. See your EVAP box down here. Really nice, clean shape. Glove box. So in here you do have the original, how the truck was ordered new right there, still on the glove box door, so that's a really good sign to see still here. AC's starting to blow cold. Horn works. There you have it. There is your small block Chevy 350 cubic inch. AC compressor appears to be very new. Charged with R134A refrigerant, the newer stuff. Really clean, tidy engine bay. You can see you got headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. There's a lot of nice stuff under this engine bay. Nice and clean the windshield is. Super straight body. You got some nice wheels on here. These are Michelin tires, date code 2019. They are a 20-inch American racing wheel. Same thing here in the back, date code 2019. video they're flashing kind of weird, but that's just the way the camera's picking them up. In person they look really good, nice and solid and bright. Really cool taillight upgrade they did. If you're interested in this 72 C10 short box Fleetside, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We've got 80+ high-resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. You can see how neat and clean it is under there. This is a very nice example. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, that's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks, guys.